Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I wanted to talk about what should you learn in order to be a data scientist. Uh, this is my opinion or thoughts because I worked in a company as an intern where I used to do a little bit about data scientist job like data cleaning, manipulating, and forming graphs and stuff. So in this video, I just want to share my knowledge or what you should know in order to be a data scientist or in order to get a job as a data scientist. Well, this is just a suggestion from my side. So let's get started. My name is Saumil. I'm a full stack Python developer. So in order to be a data scientist, so the very first thing I would highly recommend is you should know Python programming language because Python is one of the most popular programming language right now used in data analysis and data visualization and stuff like that. Talking about the what framework or library you should know, I'll get that into detail. So let's talk about data visualization first. Talking about data visualization, the most popular currently libraries for data visualization are, you should know Matplotlib in and out because that's the library on which all the other libraries are built on, right? So make sure you know Matplotlib, how to define axes, how to customize the axis and grid and stuff like that. Once you know that, go ahead and try a little bit about Seaborn. I have a lot of tutorials on Seaborn on data visualization. So know how Seaborn works, what are the different kind of plots, KDE, regression plot, violin plot, and stuff like that. So make sure to learn that. Once you are done with that, and if you want to move even more further, if you want to take your skills to one step even further, I would recommend to learn cufflinks or how can you embed these graph into a website. So this will also help you a lot. So learn that. Talking about data analysis framework or what you should know, the most important thing you should know in data analysis framework or library is pandas. Yes, pandas is one of the most popular library right now, which everyone in the even in the industries are using. So make sure you know pandas in and out. I mean really in and out. Not just by watching videos, by actually doing the projects, put in the time, put in the hours, and practice all of these. I have several IPython notebook on my GitHub. Just go and read them how I did it, right? So the data set you can get it from Kaggle. It's also there on my GitHub, so you can download it, you can learn it. So learn about pandas, how to manipulate columns, how to apply functions on that, how to create columns into categorical columns. So if, let's say you have a column known as sex and it has male and female, male, female. How can I convert into numbers? So wherever it is male, it's 1, otherwise female, it's 0. How to do that? Learn about encoding techniques and stuff like that. That is done in pandas using a function known as .apply. After that, once you're good with pandas, I would recommend you to go to a little bit about machine learning because right now, whenever anyone says about data scientists, they expect that you know about the machine learning frameworks. So my recommendation is start with scikit-learn. It's easy. I have tutorials on that. It's pretty easy, scikit-learn, and it's very fast. You can develop machine learning algorithms very quickly. Okay, if you're done with scikit, you think you know scikit algorithms and stuff, you can move one step further, like by learning TensorFlow. TensorFlow is again very important, but nowadays in industry they do not use the TensorFlow. They use Keras, which is built on the top of TensorFlow, because that's more application oriented. You're not gonna code each and everything. We need an application oriented, right? So you learn Keras. That's what my advice to you is, I would say. So once you're done with the data analysis, once you're done with data visualization, learn about data structures and algorithm and how to manipulate and clean data. What I mean by that is basically data cleaning is one of the most important part in the industry right now, because I was given a lot of time a task where there was a CSV and it has some headers, and in one column there was a JSON data, right? And what I had to do so basically there was a column known as let's say there was a column known as data. Inside that column, each row has a JSON data, right? Now my company or a person asked me to develop an algorithm or to develop a script in Python that can take that values from each row, whatever the JSON data, and separate it into a multiple columns. So it will create the columns. So how do you do that? How do I manipulate the data? How do I deal with null values? How do I deal with zero values? How do I do interpolation? So if there are missing values, how can I come with a better approximation techniques like a polygonal curve or something like that? Learn about that. So if you are comfortable with all of these framework, I think you can be a data scientist, and it's not that difficult. It's just you need to put in the time. You need to take some. Just need to. I mean, there are a lot of contents on internet. That's what I'm gonna say. Go to Google, search about the projects, try it out, code it out, understand them, ask question to people if you don't understand. People will help you. That's what my advice is basically. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this was a little bit informative for you, and if so, do give a like. And if you have any more questions, you want to know something, let me know. If I know the answer, I'll definitely make a video for you and share my knowledge with you. So I think that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, because it will help me to grow my channel. Right, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Keep learning, keep smiling, keep coding Python. Thank you.